Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy, and today I am going to discuss about the resistance in series. So these are the three resistance R1, R2 and R3. These are connected in series. You can see here this resistance and this resistance and this resistance is connected with each other back to back. So this is called the series resistance combination, and this is the formula to calculate the equivalent resistance of series resistance. So series resistance always adds with each other, and in the series resistance the current always will be same in every resistance, but voltage across the every resistance will be different. This is the rule of series combination. This is the this is the voltage across the resistance, and how we will calculate it. As per the Ohm's law, the R equal to V upon I. So we have to calculate the voltage here. So what will be the, according this formula, V equal to R into I. So when you will multiply resistance with the current flowing through this resistance, you will get the voltage across this. So this is the rules of series combination, and as per the Ohm's law, this formula is very much used in this type of circuit, series and parallel circuit. So now we will discuss one numerical. This is the series resistance combination, and here is the 12-volt battery, and you can see here all the resistance are connected in this series, and in this series the current will be same in all resistance. So as per the series equivalent resistance formula, all the resistance will be added with each other. So 2 ohm plus 4 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to 12 volt. So as per the Ohm's law, we have the value of voltage, we have the value of total resistance, and voltage value is 12 volt. So we have two value out of 3. So as per this formula, we can calculate the value of I. So as per the Ohm's law, I will be equal to V upon R, equal to I will be 12 volt divided by 12 ohm. So what will be current? 1 ampere, because this is in volt and this is in ohm, so current will be in ampere. So now here is what will be the current? 1 ampere, and it will be same in all resistance because the combination is in series. So how we will calculate the voltage across each resistance? So as per the Ohm's law, as per this formula, we can calculate the 1 into 2 equal to 2 volt, and 1 equal to 4 equal to 4 volt, and 1 equal to 6 equal to 6 volt. So here will be voltage all the element 2 plus 4 plus 6, 12 volt. As per the battery voltage, it will be equal to battery voltage. So this is the rules of series resistance combination. Now we will discuss about the 1 milliampere and series combination of resistance. So here is the 1 milliampere current, and here is 1 kilo ohm resistance and 2 kilo ohm resistance and 6 kilo ohm resistance. So what will be the voltage across these resistance? So as per the Ohm's law, the voltage equal to R into I. So 1K into 1 milliampere equal to minus 3 ampere. Same thing here, it will be equal to ampere cut by this kilo K. So here will be 1 volt. Same thing here will be 2 volt. Same thing here will be 6 volt. So voltage across the resistance will be 1 volt, 2 volt and 6 volt. So this was the another example of the series resistance. So I hope you might have got my discussion and the combination of series resistance. So if you like this video, if you got something from this video, please like my video and subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you and wait my another video. Thank you.